Hello guys, welcome to Sparky Media once again. So guys, yesterday evening I made withdrawal on this platform known as ATM 05, and I told you guys in that video that today I'll be making the video showing you guys the payment proof that this platform is legit and paying, and it is free. You don't need any money to join. It is free. I've already made the explanation, I've released the explanation in this channel, I've made everything available in this channel, how to connect your account and everything. And I also said in my previous video that please, if you are connecting your account to this platform, that you shouldn't use your main WhatsApp account, you should use your spare WhatsApp account. The reason being that WhatsApp can easily ban your account whenever they notice it's being connected to any site, and that's the reason why you guys should do what? You should use your spare WhatsApp account, the account you know it is not your main account. Even if they ban that one, you know that it will not pay you. So that is the one you ban. You will link to this platform, okay, and start earning. As you all know that this platform is totally free. I've explained that in my previous video, okay, and let me briefly emphasize on that again. So this platform now, how it works is very simple. All you need to do is to register. You earn when you are connected to WhatsApp. When you are active on that particular WhatsApp line, you connected. So that is when you earn on this platform. And when you're offline, you're not earning. It's only when you're online that is when you're earning. This platform just paid me 9,600 Naira. I made a withdrawal yesterday evening, and when I was placing the withdrawal, it was live, okay, and I said I will continue with the video today, and that's exactly what I am doing now. So let me show you guys without wasting much of your time. Click on account, so you can see this place here, withdrawal order. Then you can see this place here. Let's wait for it to load. So you can see this place here. You can see this place here, successful. So you can check the date. I placed the withdrawal yesterday. You can see it here. Yesterday I placed the withdrawal yesterday, and then I was paid today in the morning. So let me show you guys the payments on my PalmPay. I use my PalmPay to place withdrawal, okay. So you can see it here, guys. You can see the money here. So you can see it here, guys. I received this money in the morning. You can see it here around 5:52 a.m. okay. I did not do the video in the morning because I was doing video on another platform similar to this as well. So that is it. So this platform is legit, guys, and you should start taking it serious. Now when you are trying to register your account, you may encounter issues as registration failed. Please, when you encounter something like that, what you need to do to rectify that is just to use VPN to register, okay. To use VPN to register. Now I'll be leaving a video on how to link your WhatsApp account to ATM 05, and then for those of you who will be registering today, or those of you are interested in joining, I'll be leaving the registration link in the comment section. So go straight to the comment section. The registration link is there. Go there and click on the link, register, link your account, and then start earning. And you can also earn when you invite your friends and family to link their account. Please take note, whenever you're inviting anybody, tell the person he or she should use the spare WhatsApp account. They shouldn't use their main WhatsApp. And you can invite friends by clicking on promotion. So when you click on promotion, you can copy your link. You can see your link, copy it. So I have copied my own link now. So that's the link I'm going to leave in the comment section, okay. So watch the video on how to link your account to how to link your WhatsApp account to ATM 05, and then start in, okay. You guys can see that this platform is legit and currently paid. So if you have another question, please feel free to comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you for watching this video. And then please, you may be asking which VPN am I going to use. You can use VPN5. So if your registration did not work, use VPN5. Go to Play Store. Let me show you guys. Go to Play Store and search for this VPN5. Sorry, not this one. VPN5. So you can see it here. So install this and then connect United States server. So once you connect the United States server, you are good to go. You will get your account registered immediately, and then connect your WhatsApp account and start earning. As simple as that. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you will not miss any of my latest updates on how to make money online with your smartphone. Thank you.